Welcome to this informative video about digital marketing. Digital marketing is a powerful tool for businesses and organizations in reaching out to potential customers with various advertising and promotional messages. In this video, we will discuss the advantages and different types of digital marketing, as well as strategies for maximizing its effectiveness and success. So join us now and start learning about the power of digital marketing. Be sure to stay for the final tip at the end of the video, because that could really change your life. If you're enjoying the content we're creating, we would really appreciate it if you could take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on new videos we share. 1. Leverage digital channels for advertising and promotional messages. Digital marketing is a rapidly growing form of marketing that utilizes digital communication channels like the internet, social media and mobile applications to reach out to current and potential customers. It's an ever-evolving field that offers businesses and organizations a direct, cost-effective way to engage their target audience with advertising and promotional messages. Digital marketing can use various types of media, including text, images, audio, and video, depending on the platform used. The increased availability of digital media, along with advancements in technology, has made digital marketing more accessible and effective than ever before. Businesses of all sizes are now able to reach out to potential customers located anywhere in the world, which has dramatically increased their reach and potential for success. Additionally, compared to traditional forms of marketing, digital marketing is often much more cost-effective. Digital marketing has become increasingly popular in recent years, as it provides businesses and organizations with an effective way to reach potential customers and build relationships with them. Additionally, digital marketing allows for the monitoring of campaigns in real time, allowing for quick adjustments when needed to get the most out of their efforts. All in all, digital marketing is an invaluable tool for businesses and organizations of any size looking to reach out to potential customers and promote their products or services. With its ease of access and cost-effectiveness, it's no wonder why it has become so popular in recent years. 2. Cost-effective, easily measurable and adaptable. Digital marketing has revolutionized the way businesses and organizations advertise and promote their products and services. In comparison to traditional marketing methods such as print and television advertising, digital marketing offers numerous advantages that make it more attractive to modern companies. From its cost-effectiveness to its ability to be easily measured and adapted, digital marketing has proven to be an invaluable asset in boosting sales and expanding brand reach. The most obvious advantage of digital marketing is its cost-effectiveness. Unlike traditional forms of advertising, digital marketing offers a much lower cost per impression and allows companies to target specific audiences without having to pay for a large-scale campaign. Companies can focus on specific demographics, such as age, gender, location, interests and occupation, and create campaigns with a much lower cost per impression than traditional marketing methods. Digital marketing also offers businesses the opportunity to use analytics to track performance, allowing them to adjust their strategies on the fly and maximize their return on investment. Another major advantage of digital marketing is its convenience and adaptability. With digital marketing, businesses have the flexibility to alter their strategies quickly in response to trends and customer data. Companies can also leverage different platforms to reach out to customers. From social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram to search engine optimization, there are numerous ways to engage with customers and target them with the right messages. Additionally, digital marketing can be used to develop content that is tailored to specific audiences and locations, allowing businesses to reach a wider range of customers. Finally, digital marketing offers businesses the ability to measure performance more accurately than traditional marketing methods. Companies can use analytics and optimization tools to track and analyze data, giving them a better understanding of which strategies are working and which ones are not. This helps organizations adjust their strategies accordingly to optimize their campaigns and reach out to more potential customers. In conclusion, digital marketing offers numerous advantages over traditional marketing methods. It's cost-effective, customizable and allows for greater flexibility and convenience when targeting customers. Companies can also use analytics and optimization tools to measure performance and adjust campaigns on the go. Companies that leverage digital marketing are able to optimize their campaigns and maximize their return on investment. 3. Social media, SEO, email, content and paid ads. Digital marketing has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its wide reach, affordability, and ability to precisely target audiences. There is an array of types of digital marketing, each with their own unique benefits. Social media marketing is one of the most effective ways for businesses and organizations to connect with potential customers. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram allow companies to build relationships with current and potential customers, share information about their product or service, and generate leads. Search engine optimization, SEO, is another type of digital marketing that can be used to increase visibility for businesses online. SEO involves optimizing content so that it appears higher up in search results on Google or other search engines. By optimizing content and increasing website page rankings, businesses are able to increase their visibility and attract more traffic to their website. In addition to social media marketing and SEO, email marketing is also a powerful tool in digital marketing. Email campaigns can be used to keep customers updated on new products, upcoming promotions, or other useful information. It's also important to have clear call to actions within emails to encourage customers to engage with the business. Content marketing is another type of digital marketing which involves creating and sharing engaging content to promote a business or organization. It can involve blog posts, videos, infographics, or other forms of content that are designed to attract and engage viewers. Content marketing helps businesses to establish themselves as experts in an industry, build trust with customers, and drive more sales or leads. Finally, paid advertising on social media and search engines is another form of digital marketing. These ads are targeted at specific audiences and can be used to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or increase website traffic. Companies can also use A/B testing to compare different versions of the same ad and determine which ones are performing the best. Overall, there are many different types of digital marketing that businesses and organizations can use to reach their target audiences. Each type has its own unique benefits, and it is important to have a comprehensive digital marketing strategy in place in order to take full advantage of all the opportunities digital marketing has to offer. 4. Develop content plan. Analyze data and measure performance. Digital marketing is an invaluable tool for businesses and organizations looking to reach out to potential customers. If a company wants to get the most out of their digital marketing efforts, they must create and implement a strategy to maximize its effectiveness. This strategy should include finding the right mix of tactics and objectives, as well as staying up to date on industry trends. The first step in creating an effective digital marketing strategy is developing a comprehensive content plan. Content is the backbone of any successful digital campaign and can come in many forms, including blog posts, social media updates, videos, podcasts, images and more. It's important to have a content plan in place that outlines what types of content will be produced and how it will be used. This plan should also consider what tactics will be employed to promote content, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media advertising or influencer marketing. Another key component of any digital marketing strategy is customer data analysis. Knowing who your customers are and understanding their behavior is essential in order to create relevant campaigns that can attract and engage them. Customer data analysis can help you determine who your target audience is, what channels they use, and what type of content resonates with them. Once the appropriate content and tactics have been chosen, it's important to track performance and measure results. Every digital marketing campaign should have metrics set in place to measure its success. This could involve tracking website visits, email opens, lead conversions, or social media engagement. Being able to monitor these metrics will allow companies to make quick adjustments to their campaigns if they are not seeing the desired results. In conclusion, having an effective digital marketing strategy is essential in order to maximize the impact of any digital campaign. Companies must create a comprehensive content plan, analyze customer data, and track performance and results. Keeping up to date with industry trends and testing new tactics are also vital components of any successful digital marketing strategy. 5. Unlock maximum benefits with a well-thought-out strategy. Digital marketing is an invaluable tool for businesses and organizations to reach their potential customers. It is cost-effective, customizable, and offers a wide range of advantages over traditional marketing methods. With digital marketing, companies can reach a larger audience and cater more specifically to their desired market. Additionally, businesses are able to track performance and adjust campaigns on the go to ensure maximum effectiveness. When it comes to digital marketing, it is important to have a well-thought-out strategy in place. Developing a comprehensive content plan, monitoring customer data, and measuring the success of campaigns are all necessary steps. Understanding the various types of digital marketing, such as social media, search engine optimization, email marketing, content marketing, and paid ads, can help businesses choose the right mix of tactics and objectives. Additionally, staying up to date on industry trends helps businesses stay ahead of their competition. Digital marketing has revolutionized how businesses and organizations communicate with their target audiences. With its cost-effectiveness, versatility, and ability to reach a wider audience, digital marketing is the go-to for businesses looking for a cost-effective way to promote themselves. For companies that utilize digital marketing effectively, the rewards can be great. Having a well-thought-out strategy in place is the key to making the most of digital marketing. In conclusion, digital marketing is a powerful tool that businesses and organizations can use to reach potential customers. With the right combination of tactics, objectives, and data analysis, businesses can take their digital marketing strategies to the next level and see great results. Thanks for watching.